Hi, I'm KK Breaker.
Hi, I'm NoNo Breaker.
And we need your help to solve a math problem.
Can you tell us how many 1s and 10s are in the number 16?
We're going to use the counting machine to count to the number 16. You can't fit 10 1s in the ones place, so let's make it a 10. If you said 16 had 1 10 and 6 1s, you got it!
If you want to see more videos,
Subscribe to our channel.